Thank you very much. Welcome to this wonderful class put together by Casey Clef Music. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and you never regret your day. We hope to be a blessing to you as we teach you hidden secrets in music education. Let's go straight. This is scale. We're talking about scales today, and we will be looking at definitions and so on as put together, as written on your. Okay, let's move straight. Let's talk about definition of scale. A scale is defined as a ladder of notes or pitches sequentially arranged. I will explain that word sequentially in the next slide or in subsequent slides. A scale is ladder of notes. Ladder of notes. Listen to this. What do you mean by ladder? Ladder has to do with from one step to a higher step, a higher step, a higher step. The distance between the steps is what you call sequential order. But just know that scales are arranged in form of higher notes, higher notes, higher notes, from one note to a higher one to a higher one. Like something like this. That's the scale. That's the scale. That's the scale. The last one I played is the one you are used to. That's the major scale. But let's move and a little faster. Okay. Now, when we talk about types of scale, you're talking about scales can be in different forms. It's not just scale is not just scale. The one thing. No, scales can be chromatic scale, pentatonic scale, whole tone scale, jazz scale, and so many others. But for now, let's just give a little explanation of this. Chromatic scale is a scale containing 13 notes, and the distance between each of the notes is just a semitone. If you start from maybe C, for example, let's take C. A semitone from C is C sharp. A semitone from C sharp is D. A semitone from D is D sharp, otherwise called E flat. A semitone from there, from D sharp or E flat is E. A semitone from E is F. And then you go on till you get back to C. It will sound like this. Let me play it slowly. Let me say the notes: C, C sharp, D, E flat, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, then C. That is a chromatic scale. A pentatonic scale is a scale that has just 5 notes. Pentagon, mathematics students, is a scale of just 5 notes. And those 5 notes are do, re, mi, so, la, on any scale, any key, on any key of the music. Those are, let's say, for example, on C major, it will be C, G, E, G, A. Like, I just played it. I just played that a little advanced way of playing that same scale. It's just do, re, mi, so, la. I just play, and then when you're playing it in music, you just play it, make it fast and all that, and make it very nice. Whole tone scale has to do with a scale in which the distance between each of the notes is a tone. C, D, E, F sharp, A flat, B flat, C. That is a whole tone scale. Whole tone scale. Don't bother yourself about that. We are concentrating diatonic scale. Diatonic major scale. That's what we are concentrating on. Diatonic major scale has just 8 notes. 8 notes. Diatonic scale is in 2 parts, major and minor. But let's start with the major. Diatonic scale has just 8 notes. What makes a diatonic scale a major scale or a minor scale is the sequential order. Now let's just maintain major scale. Now let's talk about major scale. Major scales are, or major scale is a scale of 8 notes sequentially arranged in the form of tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. What do I mean? The distance between I'm using C as my example. Distance between the first note to the second note must be a tone. So from C to the second note must be a tone. From the second note to the third note must be a tone. That's tone, tone. From the third to the fourth must be a semitone. Tone, tone, semitone. Then third to the fifth tone, fifth to sixth tone, sixth to seventh tone, and then seventh to eighth tone. You're going to see an explanation of what I just said. Now look at it. Look at it here. Now this is the scale of C major. Now before I say anything, C major is the only natural key in music. It doesn't have any adjustment. On the scale of C, you will not find any sharp or any flat. On the scale of C major. On the scale of C major. Look at it. Let's look at it on the keyboard as I play it along. I'll play along. Now look at it. This is C. C now. C to a tone from C is D. That's why the arrow is telling you D. A tone from D is E. Now the next thing we're looking for is a semitone. The semitone from E is F. Now a tone, two semitones, a tone from F is G. A tone from G is A. A tone from A is B. And a semitone from B is C. Did you hear that? That is the scale of C. It follows this order. When you get to upper class, we're going to teach you other scale. There is no other scale in music. There's no other major scale in music that naturally follows this order. The notes have to be adjusted. So C major, naturally, C to D is a tone, D to E is a tone, E to F is a semitone according to the law, F to G is a tone, G to A is a tone, A to B is a tone, and B to C is a semitone according to the law. This is what you call the only natural key in music. That's the scale of C major. So if you have a keyboard around you, just play C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and you hear Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, naturally. But if you go and do that in any other major scale without having to use sharp and flat to adjust any of the notes as it requires, you are not going to get the right thing. You will learn that later, but let's stay with what we're learning at the moment. Okay? Then we're moving straight to what have we now? The next slide now, where we'll talk about other forms of scale, and then we'll now be looking at okay, next slide. Okay, we have the scale of C major now on the star. You need to learn to put the scale of C major on the star, and that has to do with C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, like I explained earlier. C, this is middle C. Can you see? C is the first ledger line below the treble star, and it's actually the first ledger line above the bar star. So C is also here in the bar star. So you go C, this is D, you can see this is E, the notes are well arranged. Look at the bar star. The first space is C, then D, then E, then F, then this C is the same thing as this C. Are you there now? And then so that we can move faster and we get you to where you're supposed to be. Diatonic minor scale. What are we talking about in minor scale? Minor scale is very simple. For now, we're just looking at it in a very simple way. When you get to other classes, higher classes, or when I make a video, when a video of diatonic scale is out, pointing to other classes that are higher than yours, then you'll be able to understand that. So please just understand it for now, that the minor scale is from the major scale. It starts from the fifth note of the major scale. Take, for example, look at the scale of C. C, D, we have learned that before. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now, what is the sixth note? The submedian, tonic, sorry. The first note, the second note, the third note, the fourth note, the fifth note, the sixth note. The sixth note of that scale is the minor key of that major. Therefore, we can conclude by saying the relative minor of C major, the relative minor, so to say, maybe the younger brother, so to say, the relative minor of C major is A minor. Stay with that only. We'll learn other ones later. The relative minor of C major is A minor. So C major, the younger brother, or the relative minor is A minor. Straightforward and very easy. Then quickly, lastly, we'll now talk about technical names. The names, every note on a scale. Mind you, we are looking at the scale of C major for now. The scale of C major, once again, say it with me: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Every note on a scale has a name. The first note on a scale is called the tonic. The second note is called the supertonic. The third note is called the median, subdominant, dominant, subdominant, leading note, and the upper tonic as shown here. Let me teach you a song that will help you to remember all the technical names of the notes on a scale. Let's go. I'm playing on C major now. Tonic, supertonic, median, subdominant, dominant, submedian, leading note, upper tonic, upper tonic. Let me take it faster. Tonic, supertonic, median, subdominant, dominant, submedian, leading note, upper tonic, upper tonic. That's the end of this class today. Thank you very much and take care of yourself. God bless you real good. Thank you.